Hello everyone. Here in my video I'll show you how to do an exploded assembly using the presentation. What's the exploded assembly? It's simply identify it as how we are assembling these parts together in real life. We saw in many brochures or instructions that the part of our assembly is put it in this sequence, and they give them number and they show you simply how they are put it together. Let us see, animate, okay, and we'll see what's going on. So we'll unscrew these bolts or screws, taking these washers, and step by step what are we doing? Unscrew bolt or screws. I'll take the washers out, taking the cap and then the upper bushes, taking the rubber from this bush, taking out my gears with the shafts. Now my keys is out, and we'll take this rubber out, and at the end we'll take these two bushes. So this is what we'll do in next videos. I hope you'll enjoy it. I'll go back now. What we'll do, we'll go to my home, getting started tab, presentation, and create view. I have my assembly here. If you don't have it, you can browse for your workplaces, select it and click open, click OK. Here's my assembly. Here in the browser we have tweak view, we have sequence view, we have assembly view. I'll explain what all this next. Okay, what we will do, we'll zoom here to see our screws, and we'll begin our sequences. The sequence is movement, so I'll tweak. This is the command here, and we have two type of tweaking, rotate or continuous move, and this is my trade, and ask me to select an origin point. I'll make a movement, continuous move first, so you can see it's moving, and the active axis is the axis of movement. So I'll select new origin. I'll come here, can you see, and click. So I'll take the outer circle of my screw. You can select multiple parts to do a sequence. I'll select this one together. So I am doing a continuous move for these two bolts. If I open my assembly here, I can see that they are selected. Simply I click my Z-axis and take it up. I'm going with minus, so I'll give it minus 12. Why minus 12? If you watch my videos, so you can see that this distance down is 12. I'll click plus sign here in order to continue, and I'll change to rotation. What I rotate, I'll deselect this one with control and deselect. I don't need to select. I just wanna rotate this screw, and I rotate it to the rotation will be clockwise, so I wanna unscrew it, so minus 720 I'll give it, and click enter. I'll click the plus sign again and take the other screw. Here's my other screw. I just click on the outer circle of the screw and give it minus 720. Enter. I'll switch to continuous move now and select the other screw and take it a little bit up. -7.5, it's fine with me. And hit the tick here. Okay, what happened? Let us see. I'll go here first to tweak view, and this is my tweaks. First tweak, it goes in the opposite. 7.5, continuous move, rotation, sorry, to rotate this one and rotate this one. This is one alone. This one, these rotations are coming together, so I'll with the cap, I don't need the cap here, delete. Okay, so I have here number 12 screw, 12 2, and here 12 2 again. So I need 2 and 1. They are selected and deleted. I have here 2, I have here 2, and I have these movement 12 together. 2 bolts. Can you see? So when we select, it selected the others by mistake. What's happened? I don't know. Let us go to our sequences, sequence view, expand these sequences. So I have one sequence. It will move these together. The second sequence, it will be rotate this one. Third sequence, it will be rotate this one. The first sequence will be move them to 7.5. Okay? But what I want, let us play our animation and see. Okay, expand this one and let's go. We have 7.5 down, and we rotate this one, and it goes down. What I need the rotation, and let us reset. I need this rotation and with this 12 millimeter to be grouped together, so it will rotate and move in the same time. So I'll give this 12 with 70 and here, and I'll hit group. So they will be from 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 sequences. 1, 2, 3 sequences. I'll make them one sequence, so they will move together. Or you can go here. I'll cancel this one. Okay, and go to tweaks. Okay, and open these tweaks. Okay, and group them from here. I can group these tweaks together from here. It will be better to group them from here, so I'll pick them. 12 millimeter, 12 millimeter, 720 and 720, and click group. So I change them to sequence 1 and sequence 2. Apply. Before apply, I'll switch to our sequence view and expand it and see what will happen here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sequences. I'll hit apply, and I became to first sequence and second sequence. The first sequence, it will be move them, and the second sequence are grouped, all of these 4 tweaks. Okay, let us play it and see what's happening. Okay, now it will be move 7.5, and now rotate again, reset, play. It's moving 7.5, and now when it will hit the body, it will rotate and go down. It's easy. Yeah, reset, cancel, save. Now I'll save it as an oil pump, IPN oil pump. Yes, let's leave it as it is and save. The same way we'll do to these. Now we'll take the washers out. So what we'll do, we just again click tweak, okay, point to take our center. We need continuous move. I'll select this one, and I can't see them here, so I can select them from here. Where's my washers? Then and A3. Here's my washers. So I'll select this washer and this washer. I'll be sure now not to have anything else selected. No, I have only 4, in order not to be the same mistake there. I'll just click this one and take it out. Let's take it a little bit further. Okay, hit the plus sign. What we'll do now, we'll take this one with them, okay, and take it up. Just click and take out until we see the next part. Click the plus sign and I'll take my bearing. Now I'll be sure that I have only these. Yes, I have these 4 and my bearing and my cap. Where's my bearing? I can't see, it's not selected here. If I open this one, I can see that it's selected. It selects a part. Okay, and I'll move them up again. Okay, and finish. Let's play animation. See? Yeah, this is the bearing, the cap, the washers with bolts. The bolts are going down and now they are rotated. It's fine. Reset, save. Now I will take these 14 screws out for 20 millimeters, rotate them and group this rotation as I did here, okay, and take them a little bit further up, and we'll see you in next video.